Security is really important, especially in this industry. There's counterfeit parts, counterfeit materials that is extremely troubling to a lot of businesses in this. So how do we, stand apart from that? And we start with the facility itself. The facility is a secure facility. We don't go to, third-party distributors. We work with the manufacturers direct, or we work with their first-tier distributors when we get the materials in here. That's what's important, and that's how they know that they're getting the best quality product when they get it from REDCOM. The importance of the certifications are a few things. Number one is on the facility side of it, the infrastructure itself with NIST and SCIF. Because we are a military manufacturer for military product, we have those checks and balances in place so that we make sure that we are a secure facility, that we handle product accordingly, that we have the right people working on the product at the time. It gives our customers that level of confidence that what they're getting and who they're getting it from is accurate.
I think the certifications that we hold for the security and the protection of intellectual property from our customers is significant. As a provider of services to the government, we understand the necessity to make sure that that information is protected on a global basis. Not only from just the protection of intellectual property coming and going through secure file transfer sites, but we also have secure manufacturing here within our facility.